Hey, what's up everyone? Happy New Year and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the first video of the new year. We're just going to, bright as fuck. Let's bring this down, there we go. So this is the first video of the new year. We are going to walk around the neighborhood here in Hawaii, Honolulu to be exact.
Smell that?
What's that?
Is this?
Oh.
It's like a punchy, exotic flavor smell. It's sweet, but it's also like a fresh herbal-y scent. Like it's a green floral scent.
It's a green floral scent.
I'm just gonna...
I'll put this like this. Oh, that smells like jasmine tea. We are going to be walking around the streets and going to take out the Fujifilm XS10 and the 33mm F1.4. And I got my trusty DJI Osmo action. God damn it. God fucking damn it. It's all bright. So I got my Fujifilm XS10 and my 33mm F1.4, and then we're just gonna go around the block and show you guys another side of Hawaii not a lot of people get to see. And I'm also gonna be vlogging on the new Sony ZV-10, so you get to see a better image quality. Tell me how it is. Tell me you guys like this image quality. All right, let's go. Interesting house.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like always welcome to. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Oh shit.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home. But if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. Oh, and I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be a friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that.
It's really sunny. It's about golden hour right now. And look at where we are. It's really cool. The one thing I like about traveling is I get to explore these little streets, because in Toronto, there's a lot of suburbs. Unless you're from the hood, then you're from the hood. I just don't see many, like, I guess, architecture like this back in Toronto. Like, you got these little apartment complex right here. It has a unique design. You got that building over there, and then you also got something like this over here. I think that's pretty dope, huh? Yeah, everything here just looks very, very unique with, like, you know, different plants and vegetations. We only get like one kind of plants in Toronto. It's not that good, and we got a lot of weeds. And then there's Hillary checking out the flowers over there.
Oh, it smells so good.
What does it smell like?
It smells like a spa on a hot day with air conditioning. Doesn't it?
Wow.
It's like, imagine it's like really hot outside and you're sweating and you're dying of thirst, and then you decide to walk into a spa to get a massage, and it just like hits you with the AC and the products.
It smells like when you walk into a spa and it just hits you.
No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. You didn't even say goodbye. No, no. You didn't even hug it out. No, no. I don't know nothing. Don't. 'Cause it wasn't love, now I know that you don't get to call me up. Tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off. Broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close.
Like I was saying earlier, I guess it's, what's it? There's more to Hawaii than just the beautiful water, the beautiful sand, and the palm trees. There are like these little neighborhoods and little towns that look like this all over the island. I just wanted to share that with you guys because, you know, that is it for me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Tongue, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you. And I love you.
I love you too.
Say it again for the camera.
What?
Say it again for the camera.
Say what?
Say I love you. Say I love you. And then finger guns.
I love you.
Finger guns. And say, okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
No, you don't get to call it